In this video, we'll be revealing the top 5 winning products for February 2024 that are guaranteed to sell like hotcakes. This video, I'm going to be showing you the ad that's currently going viral, the competitor's website, and where you can source this product. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive into the world of e-commerce. It's time to turn those online shopping habits into profits. Our next product is the Donut Cat Bed. Sell the Donut Cat Bed for its multifunctional design, providing a serene sanctuary for cats, reducing anxiety and ensuring year-round comfort. Target Facebook ads to cat owners seeking solutions for anxious or bored pets, multi-cat households needing space-saving solutions, and eco-conscious consumers prioritizing sustainable pet products. Highlight benefits like temperature regulation, entertainment, and furniture protection, appealing to those valuing their cat's well-being and home aesthetics. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 24K likes, 9.5K comments, 4.6K share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Donut Cat Bed is just under $69, whereas the product cost is only $13.10. So you're looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the ServaCorrect Neck Support Brace. Experience relief from neck pain, stiffness, and poor posture with the ServaCorrect Neck Support Brace. Targeted towards individuals suffering from these issues, our Facebook ads focus on professionals, students, and anyone with sedentary lifestyles. With its gentle stretching and spine alignment, it's the ultimate solution for quick relief. Easy to use, comfortable, and affordable, it's a must-have for anyone seeking improved health and well-being. Say goodbye to neck pain today by ordering your ServaCorrect Neck Support Brace. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 1.4K likes, 310 comments, 351 share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for ServaCorrect Neck Support Brace is just under $59, whereas the product cost is only $4.50. So you're looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the labor-saving arm lifter. Say goodbye to the strain of heavy lifting with the labor-saving arm lifter. Targeted at individuals seeking efficiency and comfort, this innovative device is ideal for warehouse workers, movers, construction professionals, and anyone burdened by manual lifting. Facebook ads can target these audiences based on job titles, interests in physical fitness, and engagement with related products. The labor-saving arm lifter promises to transform lifting tasks into effortless endeavors, revolutionizing productivity and reducing the risk of injury. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 2.4K likes, 430 comments, 161 share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for labor-saving arm lifter, is just under $149, whereas the product cost is only $28.02. So you're looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Oxygen Air Fish Tank Filter. Boost your fish's health with the Oxygen Air Fish Tank Filter. This innovative product ensures oxygen-rich water, promoting fish vitality while maintaining aquarium beauty. Targeted Facebook ad audiences include fish enthusiasts, aquarium hobbyists, and pet owners interested in optimal aquatic conditions. Whether freshwater or saltwater, large or small tanks, this filter offers easy installation, low noise, and efficient performance. Say goodbye to water quality concerns and hello to vibrant, thriving fish with the Oxygen Air Fish Tank Filter. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 5.4K likes, 2.6K comments, 309 share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Oxygen Air Fish Tank Filter is just under $29.95. Whereas the product cost is only $11.64. So you were looking at a good profit margin of $18.31. Our next product is the 3-in-1 Car Ceramic Coating. Sell the 3-in-1 Car Ceramic Coating for its unparalleled convenience and effectiveness. With its quick spray-on application, it streamlines detailing, saving time and effort. Target Facebook ads at car enthusiasts, busy professionals, and anyone seeking hassle-free car care. Highlight its versatility on various surfaces and long-lasting protection against environmental damage. Appeal to those looking for a cost-effective solution that delivers professional results and enhances their vehicle's appearance. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 45K likes, 3.5K comments, 5.2K share. Now, if we take a look at the winning store selling price for 3-in-1 Car Ceramic Coating is just under $12.99. Whereas the product cost is only $0.99. So you're looking at a good profit margin. Thanks for watching.